Hey guys, Conor Brewster here, ConorBrewsterArt, here for my first Adobe Illustrator tutorial. This is literally going to be a 1 minute or less tutorial. I'm going to show you guys this awesome trick that I honestly didn't know until today. I've been going around finding all these tools in a million different ways and didn't know that you could do this. So at the bottom of your toolbar, if you're using the new Adobe Illustrator, you're going to see these 3 little dots right here. Where my mouse is. You click these 3 little dots, you go up top to this little 3 dot option thing, and you click advanced instead of basic, and it's going to turn your toolbar into the advanced version instead of the basic version of the Adobe Illustrator toolbar, which adds a ton of all these awesome tools, which you usually have to go into the options and settings and all that bull crap and find your way around to getting to use them. A great example is this blend tool being brought up, being right there on the left side of your toolbar instead of having to go into the options, objects, blend tool, blend options, and all that stuff. You have this full advanced version of the Adobe Illustrator toolbar right at your fingertips right on the left side. And this is an amazing way to save a bunch of time and also to discover a bunch of tools which you might not have known about. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys. I can't believe I didn't know about this today. I'm sure there's a ton of you out there that are just like me that are pretty advanced Illustrator users, but just for whatever reason just didn't know about this. So yeah, enjoy. See ya for the next one.